Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be interviewing Srina, who was brought up speaking two languages. So we will be speaking and talking about her experiences as a bilingual speaker and how it has influenced her life. So let's get started. First of all, Srina, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Serena. I'm 16 years old and I'm currently studying at SMK Condition Convent.
Oh, I see. Nice to meet you, Srina.
Nice to meet you.
So, first of all, could you describe your early experiences with each language? How and where did you first learn them?
Okay. So first of all, I started learning Tamil firstly at home when I was little. Mostly from my siblings and my mom lah. But English came later, a bit later on, especially to schools and cartoon movies and stuff. Once I started kindergarten, that's where my English got more. I start using English more when I was in kindergarten. So,
I see. Interesting, Srina. So, was one language spoken more in school, work, or with friends, and another at home?
Yes, definitely. I use English with my dad, with my friends, and my teachers. So basically in school and formal styles. But at home, especially with my moms and my siblings, we mix Tamil and also English sometimes. But mostly I'm more comfortable with Tamil with my siblings and my mom.
Okay. So next, did your environment, for example, family, teachers, media, influence your preference for one language?
Oh, for sure. My dad always speaks English to me, and also our school expect us to speak in English. But my mom and my siblings usually speak in Tamil, so I ended up being more comfortable in both.
Alright, okay. And do you associate different emotions or topics with each language, and why?
Yes, actually. Sometimes Tamil feels more emotional or expressive. Like when I joke around or get scolded or talk about my family stuff, I usually talk in Tamil, but English is more natural when I'm in my school compound or texting to my friends.
I see. Okay. Next, in which language do you think more fluently or quickly?
I think in English most of the time, especially during school, because half of my day is I spend in school. So I use English when I'm talking with my friends, or I use English talking to my dad. But when I'm home with my siblings or mom, I kind of switch with Tamil or English, but it depends on the situation.
I see. Okay, nice. And can you give some examples where your vocabulary was stronger in one language than the other?
School words like science, history, or even essays, I know it better in English. So but things in food, names, or traditional stuff, numbers like that, or even emotional expression, I'm much understand them in Tamil.
Okay, I see. Okay, next, how do you manage switching between languages in conversation? Is it in an automatic way or it's intentionally you're speaking?
It's automatic. I just switch based on the situation or based on who I'm talking with. For example, with my mom and my siblings, it's always a mix. Can I speak in Tamil?
Me?
Yeah, can I?
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
Like தங்கச்சி Srina சீக்கிரம் சாப்பிடு like it's saying like தங்கச்சி.
What does that mean?
It means தங்கச்சி please come and eat.
Tanggachi means what?
தங்கச்சி means small sister because I'm the youngest in my family.
Oh,
So
I see.
they always call me like that. So something like that.
Alright,
Yeah.
understand. Okay, so next, do people in your social or work circles you're schooling, right? So
Yes.
school circle
Mm-hmm.
support or discourage switching languages in the mid of the conversation.
My family and friends are totally fine with it. But in school, my teachers and everyone, staff and all, they prefer us and encourage us to speak in English, especially during lessons and formal stuff, because that's one of our national language, also
Yeah.
second national language. So we have to also be more fluent in English also.
Very true.
Since
very
I'm
true.
from convent school, people expect convent girls to be more fluent in English, so that's how it works usually.
Alright, okay, interesting. And next, have you faced any stereotypes or assumption because you speak more than one language? So people think that you are showing off, or people have some assumption about it.
Oh yes, actually sometimes people, they assume that I'm not fluent in English, just because I speak in Tamil with my friends or even with my family and stuff. But Tamil like mostly they will think like, oh, Tamil is less cool or English is more cool, like that. But reality is I am confident in both languages.
That's very good. Okay, so overall, how was being raised bilingual shaped your identity and communication style?
Honestly, it made me more flexible. Actually, it made me more flexible, that because I can switch easily with my it depends on the person. If I'm with my family, I will switch to Tamil. If I'm with my friends, I switch to English or like that. So I feel like I understand both cultures better, and it helped me a lot to connect with more people as I meet in the future. So it's just part of who am I today.
I
So, yeah.
see. Interesting. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, Srina, for giving your time for the interview and your wonderful answers. It was very honest. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.
Okay.